Good morning students, Sairam. In today's of exercise 6.1, write opposites of the following. A, increase in weight. So what will be its opposite? Decrease in weight. B, 30 kilometers north. The opposite will be 30 kilometers south. C, 326 BC. The opposite to that is 326 AD. D, loss of rupees 700. Answer will be gain of rupees 700. E, 100 meter above sea level. Answer is 100 meter below sea level. Now we have question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. So we have to represent the numbers as the integers with appropriate signs. A, an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above the ground. Since it's above the ground, we will use a positive sign. So it can be taken as positive 2000. B, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Since it's below sea level, so we will take a negative sign and it will be represented as negative 800. C, a deposit of rupees 200. So it can be represented as positive 200. D, withdrawal of rupees 700. It can be written using a negative sign, minus 700 or negative 700. Question number 3, represent the following numbers on the number line. So we have a number line here and we have to represent the given numbers on the number line. First one is positive 5. So to represent positive 5, what we do? First we go to 0 and from 0 we move 5 steps in the right direction to represent 0. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So where we reach? At 5 at position A, and this shows positive 5. Then negative 10, for showing negative 10, we start from 0 and move 10 steps to the left. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we reach here at negative 10. So B represents negative 10. C is positive 8. To represent positive 8, we start from 0 and we move 8 steps in the right direction. So where do we reach? We reach at positive 8. So point C represents positive 8. Negative 9. To represent negative 9, we start from 0. No, it is negative 1. So to represent negative 1, we start from 0 and move 1 step to the left. So where do we reach? We reach at negative 1. So point D represents negative 1. E, negative 6. To represent negative 6, we start at 0. We start at 0 and move 6 steps towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we reach at E, which represents negative 6. Coming to the next question, question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number 9 and observe it and locate the following points. So we have a vertical number line here and we have to answer the questions by observing this line. Question A, if point D is positive 8, then which point is negative 8? Here we have 0, okay, and point D is plus 8. That means it is 8 points above. If we count, D is 8 points above 0. So it can be represented using a positive sign, positive 8. So where will be negative 8? We will count 8 steps below 0 level. And where do we reach? We reach at point F. point F shows negative 8. Then B, is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? We can see that point G is below 0, so it is represented as a negative integer. C, write integers for B and E. So what will be the integers for B? Integer for B, it is 4 steps above 0 level, so it is positive 4. And E is 10 steps below 0, so it is negative 10. E is negative 10. Now D, which point marked on this number line has least value? So which is the lowest level? It is E, it is 10 steps below 0. So least value on number line is point E. It represents least value. Question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Siachen 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Shimla is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Ahmedabad is 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree, and Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar is 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So how do we represent using integers? So Siachen can be shown as negative 10 degrees Celsius, the temperature of Siachen. The temperature of Shimla is negative 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ahmedabad is 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius, means it is positive 30 degrees Celsius, or we will simply write 30 degrees Celsius. Delhi, the temperature in Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature in Srinagar, which is 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, can be represented as negative 5 degrees Celsius. B, following is the number line representing the temperatures in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. So here the temperature is shown and we have to plot the name of the city. So let's start from the lowest one. Lowest temperature is negative 10 degrees Celsius. We know it is of Siachen. Then we have negative 5 degrees Celsius. So which city shows negative 5 degrees Celsius temperature? It is Srinagar. Then Shimla has negative 2 degrees Celsius. Delhi shows a temperature of positive 20, and Ahmedabad shows the temperature of positive 30 degree. C, which is the coolest place? Answer is Siachen, because its temperature is lowest, that is minus 10 degrees Celsius. D, write the names of the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. So Delhi has 20 degrees Celsius, Ahmedabad is 30 degrees Celsius. That means temperature of Delhi and Ahmedabad is higher than 10 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. In which of the following pairs, which number is in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other number on the number line? So here we have pairs of numbers. We have to decide which one is to the right of the other one. A, 2, 9. So 9 is to the right of 2. 9 is greater, it is to the right of 2. B, negative 3, negative 8. Negative 3 is to the right of negative 8. Because in the negative integers, when the value of number when the number is smaller, its value is higher. So negative 3 is greater than negative 8, and so it is to the right of negative 8. C, 0 and negative 1. 0 is greater than negative 1. Then D, negative 11, positive 10. So positive 10 is greater than negative 11, and so it is to the right of negative 11. Question number 7. Write all integers between the given pair and write them in increasing order. So we have pairs of numbers given and we have to write the integers between them and in increasing order. A, 0 and negative 7. So what are the integers between 0 and negative 7 in an increasing order? They are negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2 and negative 1. Their values increase as we move towards the right. Next pair is negative 4 and positive 4. So what are the integers between negative 4 and positive 4? They are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. They are in increasing order. C, negative 8 and negative 15. So we start from negative 15. It is smaller and in increasing order we move towards right. So what are the integers between negative 15 and negative 8? They are negative 14, negative 13, negative 12, negative 11, negative 10 and negative 9. Question number 8. Write 4 negative integers greater than negative 20. So what are the negative integers greater than negative 20? They are negative 19, negative 18, negative 17, negative 16, negative 15, negative 14 and negative 13. And we can get more as we move towards right on the number line. Question number 9. Write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. A, negative 8 is to the right of negative 10 on the number line. Yes, it is true because the integer negative 8 is greater than negative 10. B, negative 100 is to the right of negative 50 on a number line. False, negative 100 is smaller, so it is to the left of negative 50 on the number line. C, smallest negative integer is negative 1. False, the negative 1 is the greatest negative integer. D, negative 26 is greater than negative 25. This is also false. Negative 26 is smaller than negative 25. Now we come to the next question, question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. A, which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of negative 2? So here we start at negative 2 and move 4 steps towards 4 numbers towards the right. Where do we reach? We reach at positive 2. So if we move 4 numbers to the right of negative 2, we will reach 2. Question B, which number we will reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? So for this we start at 1 and move 5 numbers to the left. If we move 5 numbers to the left, where do we reach? We reach at negative 4. This way you have to show we have moved 4 steps behind 1. It should be shown as minus 5, not plus 5, minus 5. So where do we reach? We reach at negative 4. See, if we are at negative 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach negative 13? Negative 13 is less than negative 8. So if we start at 8, where do we move to reach negative 13? We should move to the left to reach negative 13. So we will move to the left of negative 8 to reach 13. Children, with this question we come to the end of the first exercise in integers. We end this session here and we will learn more topics and solve more problems in our coming session. Thank you.